My name is Sam Dern, and this is my physics experiment. What you need is boiling water. So, you can turn on the gas and let the water boil. My water will boil a little quicker because I preheated it, so it wouldn't take that long. You need to have the water to come to like a vigorous boil for this to work. I think that's good enough, so we will turn off the gas and remove the Bunsen burner. And while that's cool, you gotta let it cool down for about a minute or so, just so the pressure doesn't get really intense, or else it'll break the thing, break the glass. So make it some ice. Alright, a little cap, the Thermo flask. Make sure you put it on, cap on, or else water will all come out. Just not want that to happen. Tighten that, and then put the ice cubes on top. Should all fall off. And then we wait for water to boil. Might take like a minute or so for the water to boil. Oh, starting to boil a little bit. Yeah, there you go. See some bubbles. Obviously, it's not boiling as vigorously as it was with the fire, but boiling water with ice is really cool. Alright. Take the ice cubes off. Put them down. I'll fix it around. Alright, so how this works is that when you boil water, it creates vapor, which goes everywhere. So that's why we have a cap, and so the vapor is contained inside the flask. And you have to make sure the water cools down just a little bit, or else if you cap it too early, the pressure inside will get so great that the glass will break. So you cap it after the water is cooled a little bit, and by capping it, it releases the vapor only inside the flask, and by doing so, contains all the vapor. And when you put the ice on top of the flask, it lowers the pressure inside. And as we all know from physics and chemistry, that when you decrease the pressure, it decreases the temperature at the water boils under 100 degrees Celsius. When you lower the pressure inside the flask, the water pressure stays the same, vapor pressure stays the same, and as soon as the pressure inside is lower than the vapor pressure, the water boils, as we saw before. And once the pressure equalizes, the water will stop boiling, and the pressure will keep building up, so you have to release the cap so you can let all the pressure out, and that is how you boil water with ice.